Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the data file in SPSS. Open your Excel or CSV and make sure the first row contains variable names. SPSS relies on that. Once done, remove merged cells and extra header lines so each column is a variable. Make sure the file is closed in Excel before importing, otherwise SPSS may error. Also note delimiters and decimal symbols, because SPSS needs them to parse numbers correctly. Now open SPSS to begin the import dialog. You next use SPSS import dialogs to bring data in. Choose Open Data for Excel or File Read Text Data for CSV/TXT, then follow the wizard screens. During the wizard, map columns to variable types, set widths and decimal places, and specify missing value codes so SPSS treats them correctly. Use the preview pane to confirm rows align under correct variables. If not, change delimiter, text qualifier, or file encoding. These steps convert raw cells into clean SPSS variables you can analyze. You finish by saving and validating the imported dataset. Save it as a SAV right away and add variable labels and value labels so your work is reproducible. Then run frequencies or descriptives to check ranges, detect misplaced text, and confirm missing values are coded as intended. If something looks wrong, reopen the source file, correct headers or delimiters, and re-import. Also verify file encoding if special characters broke. That single troubleshooting tip, fix the source headers, solves most important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.